If I call out your team, please stand up and stay standing until I get to the end. I'd like to recognize all the boys soccer players. Please stand up. I'd like to recognize all the girls tennis players. Please stand up. All the boys and girls cross country runners, please stand up. I'd like to recognize all the girls swimmers, please stand up. I'd like to wish you guys good luck in sectionals this weekend. All the cheer and dance members, please stand up. All the marching band members, please stand up. All the color guard members, please stand up. I want to thank you guys for all your time, your commitment, the hard work, and really the awesome job you guys do representing Merrill. Thank you for a wonderful fall season. You guys can sit down. Other groups are recognized. We'll get to it. All right, I'd like to recognize our agriculture mechanics team. When I call your name, please stand up. Justin Menday, please stand up. Jacob Jensen, Ben Sosnowski, and Joe Elke. So after almost 8 hours of competition in 2 days, they placed 50 out of 43 teams. But in the area of power and structures, they placed 3rd out of all teams in the competition. All in all, making them a silver medal team. Give them a round of applause. Great job, guys. I'd like to also have all the high school play, cast, and crew members please stand up. I know you guys have put a lot of time and effort into the high school play. I heard good reviews, rave reviews from yesterday. The name of the play is A Lighter Shade of North. You guys can go see it. Please support your fellow students tonight, tomorrow, and Saturday, 7 o'clock, right here in the auditorium. Get out there and see it. Thank you guys. Give them a round of applause. And at this time, could all the members of the 2014 Merrill Blue Jay football team please stand up. The Merrill football team this year captured the GNC Conference Championship. Give them a round of applause. Great job, young men. Again, it's been a great fall. We got some more things coming. Let's make sure we get into the winter. You guys are a great group. Mr. Short, take it over, please. Before we get to introducing the volleyball team, there's one other announcement I want to make. There's 3 guys that deserve some special recognition because they accomplished something really cool this year, pretty rare. We had the football team stand up before as conference champs, but could I have Mason Reinhardt, Jake Knorr, and Coach Sturm stand? They were the offensive, defensive, and coach of the year for the GNC Warriors. Guys, stand up. Good job. Congratulations. Before I introduce the varsity volleyball team, could I have the JV volleyball team stand up, please? If you're out in the audience, JVs. Our JV team was 29-0 undefeated this year. Congratulations. So today's a big day for us. We got a volleyball team going to state. We're very
proud of them. I'd like to introduce you to them at this time. They are 31-7 conference champs with 11-1 record, regional champs and sectional champs on their way to state. Let's meet them. The libero, a senior, number 1, Morgan Merrill. And middle hitter, a freshman, number 2, Morgan Wardall. A junior outside hitter, number 3, Anna Merrill. She's a sophomore, she's a setter, number 5, Brianna Grossberg. And outside hitter, a senior, number 6, Star Kerensky. A setter, junior, number 7, Emily Hay. At middle hitter, a junior, number 9, Riley Bolts. A defensive specialist, a junior, number 10, Chai Pitka. Another defensive specialist, a junior, number 11, Allie Zamzow. An outside hitter, a senior, number 12, Hannah Merrill. On the right side, a senior, number 13, Mariah Therese. An outside hitter, a sophomore, number 14, Chelsea LaMonica. On the right side, a sophomore, number 15, Katie Zielinski. A defensive specialist and outside hitter, a freshman, number 16, Maddox Manel. A setter and a defensive specialist, a freshman, number 17, Lindsay Casper. And their manager, Cassandra Casper. How about a nice round of applause for our state-bound volleyball team? Of course, it takes a great coach to make this happen, and we're lucky we have a great coach. Let me introduce her. She's been coaching volleyball for 16 years. This is her second year back at the helm. At Merrill High School, she has an overall record of 324 wins against 134 losses. A nice round of applause for Miss Coach Chris Drew. All right, Chris.
Thanks, everybody. This has been an incredible ride for all of us. I want to thank the fan support that we've had, and even at away games and here. The girls really appreciated the costumes. They've been amazing. They kind of relaxed the girls before the matches. Seeing little Scotty run around there in his outfit, so it's kind of brought a smile to my face. I want to thank the parents. The parents have been great. Also the Booster Club, which is made up of the parents. It's taken a lot of load off over the course of the season. The administration has been awesome. My coaches, I'd like to introduce all my coaches. I have Coach Beth Ranke, she's my assistant coach. Martin Hay, he's been around for many, many years. He's always been helping me out. Don Pica, he's been my JV coach for the last 2 years. I have Coach Deb Burnett. She was my assistant coach back in the olden days, and she came back out of retirement from my statistician. I got Janet Wardell. She was also assistant coach for me way back when. And we got Scott Ervison. He's been my strength and conditioning guy. He's been an inspiration for these girls. This has been an amazing thing for all of us. It's been an exciting week for the girls. We've kind of been anticipating the game for tonight, kind of just like you can't wait to get there. It's been a long week in that sense, but it's been an exciting week. So I am so happy that we got 3 fan buses going down, and we're going to have that fan support that we appreciate. And we'll see you down at state. Girls, one more time. Rage on 3. 1, 2, 3, rage! See you down there. Thank you.
Let's do our class cheer. Class cheer.
You guys better be loud.
Ready? Okay! Freshmen, don't be shy, stand and give your battle cry. Sophomore, don't be shy, stand and give your battle cry. B-I-C-T-O-R-Y, that's our sophomore battle cry. Juniors, don't be shy, stand and give your battle cry. B-I-C-T-O-R-Y, that's our junior battle cry. Seniors, don't be shy, stand and give your battle cry. B-I-C-T-O-R-Y, that's our senior battle cry. Blue Jays, don't be shy, stand and give your battle cry. B-I-C-T-O-R-Y, that's our Blue Jay battle cry.
All right, just a quick reminder before we wrap things up. Tonight, 7:30. Try to get down there, bus. You can probably still try to find if you need a ride. You can probably get it by noon. You probably still sign up. 7:30, we'll take on Germantown. So good luck, ladies. Bring home a victory. Let's all stand up for Hail to the Blue. Thank you. All right, just another quick reminder, there are shirts for sale, state shirts for sale, $7. Mrs. Wardell has shirts. Anybody's thinking about signing for the bus, do it as soon as possible. You are dismissed.